For all of you BYD owners following my channel, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. I found a new BYD accessories shop where they sell lots more variety than the previous BYD accessories shop I go to. It's called fansbyd.com. For example, the infotainment screen tempered glass screen protector, this sunshade visor curtain to protect from heat and privacy. And yes, they also have the BYD Seal Dashcam that many of you have watched me install in my previous video. I've got you a 10% discount if you use my coupon code SKYPerspective. Yes, it's not just 5% but 10%. Follow the link in the description down below, and I do earn a small commission if you use my code. Thanks for your support. And you know what? They are having a Christmas holiday promotion right now. You can get a 25% discount if you use my code right now at the time when I made this video. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one.